So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can hide the post like count in your Instagram profile so that the number of people liked your post is not visible on your profile. So all you have to do is to open the Instagram application and go to your profile settings. You can find the settings option at the top right corner, three lines, and after opening the settings you need to find an option of privacy, and after opening it you can see an option of posts in the interaction section. You can see it's on the fourth number. Click on this option and here you can see on the top, and once you turn this option on, nobody will be able to see how many people have been liked their post. Only you can able to see the like count on your Instagram profile post. So by this method you can hide the number of count in your Instagram profile post. It could be a reel or a simple post as well. So that's a very quick and helpful tutorial for you. I hope it would be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.